Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kanongelam jongko All India Trinamool Congress kabalongru ke Menteri Rangba jongko West Bengal ke Mamata Banerjee ha ke sniba ar kala kentat je ke jing Kynnoh ba kani ke Seng kadai kata ke Seng ki Bengali bat kala airu ke nuksa ya ki reu krau kari India ki bala no senyang ha ki babun ki liang. Haba kerana ke jingelang bat ki nongtrei ke Seng TMC ha usosotham auditorium ke Banerjee kalabatai syapang ke jingya linti jong ke Seng kepada sedang nado usnam kat kendai spa kendai pupra bat menta kini ke Seng kadon hadu lai pu henreungut ki MP. Haba kentho ya ke sorkar MDA bat ya ke BJP ke Banerjee kala keli balai ke BJP kala klet ya ke Meghalaya bat ya ke dong setailam mingi bat balai ya ke Meghalaya la sensar na Guwahati bat Delhi.
And the heart of the people of Meghalaya, Dr. Mukul Sangmaji, Dr. Manoj Bhuya, state in charge. And Abhishek Banerjee is always very sweet and cute, and he is taking care for Meghalaya. Whenever he will ask me to come, I will come. And Saket Gokhale, I want to introduce him. Please come in the dais. You know how he has been harassed? He was supposed to go to Rajasthan. He has given one tweet. That's why, because of Morbi incident, that's why he was arrested. From Jaipur to Gujarat, he was taken away. Can you believe that he is a heart patient and his cardiac operation also there? And after that, when he got the bail, again he has been arrested by the police. I told him today that you are lucky enough. It's a very important, people. I'm telling you, for this right to information is the king of India. Because he criticizes, because he says something. So, BJP cannot tolerate that. If you are the leader, you have to tolerate first. Tolerance is a big way to conquer the heart of the people. First of all, I thank you, all of you, the president, the workers, the journalists, and my friends and the leaders. And many happy, what we say, Merry Christmas to you advance. And also a happy new year to see the bright sun in the Meghalaya and in every individual's houses. I see it is a Meghalaya family, and All India Trinamool Congress is also, they are the family. Already Mr. Charles, my president, Mr. Mukul Sangma, Abhishek Banerjee, Manoj Bhuya, they express their all the views. I don't want to repeat because you are also maybe hungry for lunch. I will just take a small time. I can understand this because I always mix up with the people. That's why I can see the face and I can guess also. First of all, there is a news rumor. What rumor? Trinamool Congress is a Bengali party. If Trinamool Congress, All India Trinamool Congress is a Bengali party, then why do you song for Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, the national song? He is from Bengal. But the song is a national song for all over the country. Rabindranath Tagore visited so many times in Meghalaya. It was his favorite place. But national song also. Who have written this? Rabindranath Tagore. And now it is for all India. Jana Gana Mana Udinaya Kojahe. You tell me Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, his slogan is Joy Hind. Can you say that he is only Bengali? Mother Teresa also got Nobel Prize from Calcutta. Can you say that he is a Bengali? Why do we divide the caste to caste? Religions to religions. Let us work together. Let us think together. Let us speak together. I think Trinamool Congress BJP is jealous because they tried their best in our election also. What they have not done? Everything. Misusing the power. But at least we have got 2/3 majority. They cannot defeat us. And Meghalaya also, I am telling you, when I started Trinamool Congress Party, 98, after 2 months, they are at the parliament election. People even were not aware about the flag, about the symbol. They were watching, waiting. But first time we have got the 7 MPs. Now I have 36 MPs. And they raised your voice. Already they raised the voice of Meghalaya. At Trinamool Congress, it is not West Bengal Trinamool Congress, it's All India Trinamool Congress. Why do we say Trinamool? Trinamool means a grassroots. Without the block leaders, you cannot survive. Without the volunteers, you cannot survive. Without the grassroots workers, you cannot survive. That's why we said that all the leaders of Trinamool, they are not the leaders. My workers are the leaders. That is the ideology of Trinamool. So AITC is of the people, by the people, for the people. And that's why if somebody criticizes, then ask them. Why don't you ask BJP? Why they neglect Meghalaya? Why they neglected northeastern region? Why they are ruling either from Guwahati or from Delhi? What about the son of the soil? Our motto to wipe out all these type of things. We want the land of the soil will run Meghalaya, not the outsiders. Not the outsiders. Meghalaya have so many friends of us. 5 people died, you killed. And after that, no response. Did the Chief Minister meet all the people individually? No. Whether they have offered us service, in my state, if any incident happened, we give rupees and 1 employment, government employment. Please remember it. Remember for police personnel also, we took care. COVID, whoever died, for their family also, we have given employment. I have that advantage. Meghalaya, just before of the election, you will see so many big leaders, BJP will come and tell so many things, so many stories like this, that we will allow you everything, we will see this, we will give you gold, we will give you minerals, we will give you diamond. But why not before the election? These 5 years you did nothing. The unemployment people are very high unemployment ratio. Are you telling, I know Northeastern is a women dominated area. All the state. You tell me, how many women voters, women elected candidates do you have? Everybody before Lok Sabha election said 33% reservation we want. But it is the only Trinamool Congress party our elected member 35% among the women. It is not a matter of joke. We show the way. We show the light. And I came Meghalaya because I love Meghalaya.